So in this video, I want to chat about how I am cutting in the layers. I've already cut in the outline, so we're not going to discuss the outline. If you are curious on how to cut in an outline, then definitely check out one of my other videos where I establish the outline plus I cut in the layers. In this particular video, we're just going to be talking about cutting in the layers. So let's get started. As you can see right here, what I've done is I've taken a section on the right side, combing it straight down, and I'm holding the hair in my hands. And from there, you can see I'm resting the hair on my fingers. And from there, I'm taking my scissors and just cutting in those front layers. So we're going to do some layers in the back of this haircut, but in this particular section, I'm cutting in the layers at the front. This hair is from the ear forward. And this is the hair. By taking these layers shorter, it's going to give us the volume that we want around the face. Now that I've completed the layers on both the right side and the left side as far as the front layer, it is time to do the interior layers throughout the rest of the haircut. So I'm taking a center section in the middle back, which you can see right here, combing the hair up, kind of in a diagonal section. And the reason I'm not combing straight back is because I want to round the corner a little bit more. If I cut it straight back, then if I comb it straight back, I'm going to be cutting it straight back, which is going to be more of a squared layer. In this particular case, I want to do more of a rounded layer, so as you can see, I'm taking my hands and kind of combing it in an upward motion, which then gives a round shape to those layers, which makes the hair a little bit lighter to create a little bit more volume. Now that we've completed cutting the layers on the left-hand side, it is time to do the exact same thing on the right-hand side. So you can see I've taken a section on the right side, over-directing it to the first section that I cut, which is the previous section, to this section, and I'm combing the hair in an upward angle to be able to round those layers, to be able to give the hair more lightness and more volume. So the hair has now been blow dried, and it's time to cross-check those front layers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the hair in my comb. I can hold more hair in my comb than in my fingers. You can see I'm doing that right there, and then I'm just going to go through and clean up those layers. Just really clean up that outline. We've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.
Thank you.